Welcome to Real Talk English, where fluency beats reality. Get ready for an exciting adventure as we learn English through captivating stories. First up, we'll enjoy an interesting story that will introduce us to its main topic. Hold on tight as we break down each word and explain its meaning in a way that's easy to understand. Get ready for a mind-blowing encore as we revisit the story, highlighting the important words to help solidify our understanding. But that's not all. Try to fill in the missing words in the attached PDF. This will help you practice and reinforce what you've learned. And to add an extra touch of excitement, we'll wrap up each video with 3 questions about the story. Feel free to share your answers in the comment sections. Get ready to embark on this exciting journey of English learning.
Unit 1. Word list.
Number 1. Afraid. Afraid. Feeling scared or frightened. Example: Sarah was afraid of spiders, so she screamed when she saw one crawling on the wall. Number 2. Agree. Agree. To have the same opinion or to say yes to something. Example: Tom and Jane agreed to go to the movies together because they both wanted to see the same film. Number 3. Angry. Angry. Feeling mad or upset. Example: The little girl was angry because her brother took her favorite toy without asking. Number 4. Arrive. Arrive. To reach a place or destination. Example: The train will arrive at this station in 10 minutes, so make sure you're ready to board. Number 5. Attack. Attack. To try to hurt or harm someone or something. Example: The lion will attack its prey by pouncing on it and using its sharp teeth and claws. Number 6. Bottom. Bottom. The lowest or deepest part of something. Example: The ball rolled down the hill and reached the bottom, where it stopped. Number 7. Clever. Clever. Smart or intelligent. Example: The clever student solved the math problem quickly and correctly. Number 8. Cruel. Cruel. Being mean or unkind to others. Example: It's cruel to tease or make fun of someone just because they're different. Number 9. Finally. Finally. At last or after a long wait. Example: After studying for weeks, Sarah finally passed her driving test. Number 10. Hide. Hide. To conceal or go somewhere out of sight. Example: The children like to play hide and seek, so they hide behind trees or under beds. Number 11. Hunt. Hunt. To search for or chase after something, often for food. Example: The wolf goes out at night to hunt for rabbits in the forest. Number 12. Lot. Lot. A large number or amount of something. Example: There are a lot of books on the shelf, so you can choose one to read. Number 13. Middle. Middle. The center or halfway point. Example: The sandwich is cut in the middle, and you can have one half while I have the other. Number 14. Moment. Moment. A brief period of time or an instant. Example: The photographer captured the perfect moment when the bride and groom kissed. Number 15. Pleased. Pleased. Feeling happy or satisfied. Example: Sarah was pleased with her test results because she got an A. Number 16. Promise. Promise. To make a commitment or guarantee. Example: Tim promised his friend that he would help him move to a new apartment next weekend. Number 17. Reply. Reply. to respond or answer back. Example: when someone asks you a question, it's polite to reply with a thoughtful answer. Number 18. Safe. Safe. Protected from harm or danger. Example: the children wear helmets while riding their bikes to stay safe. Number 19. Trick. Trick. A clever or deceptive action. Example: the magician performed a trick and made a coin disappear. Number 20. Well. Well. In good health or satisfactory condition. Example: after taking medicine, Lisa felt well enough to go to school.
Now let's move on to the story.
Jack and the Wounded Bird. Once upon a time, in a little village surrounded by a big forest, there was a boy named Jack. He was really clever and kind. One sunny morning, while Jack was walking in the woods, he saw a shiny light. He followed it and found a bird that was hurt and couldn't fly. It was lying down under the old tree. Jack felt sorry for the bird and gently picked it up. He whispered to the bird, "Don't worry, little bird. I promise to take care of you." Jack decided to find a safe place for the bird and continued walking. As Jack went deeper into the forest, the trees became taller and made long shadows. Suddenly, some wolves came out from the thick leaves. They were really angry and were about to attack them. Jack got really afraid, and he didn't give up. He looked around for a place to hide. He found a big tree and hid behind it. Jack had a lot of tricks up his sleeve. He had a special slingshot and used it to make a loud noise by hitting a branch. The noise tricked the wolves, distracting them from Jack and the bird. While they were occupied with the noise, Jack quietly walked away and didn't get hurt. Jack felt relieved and pleased with his clever thinking. He continued his journey and finally arrived at a clearing in the middle of the forest. He gently put the bird on the soft grass to keep it safe. The bird chirped happily, as if saying, "Thank you for saving it." In the moment, Jack realized that he and the bird had formed a special bond. They agreed to stick together and hunt for food. Jack would provide for the bird until it healed and could fly again. Days turned into weeks, and the bird's wing gradually healed. It would flap its wings excitedly, but it still couldn't fly. Jack never lost hope and came up with a plan. He built a small ramp from the bottom of the tree, leading to a higher branch. The bird could practice and gain strength by hopping up the ramp. Finally, the day came when the bird could fly again. It soared through the sky, circling above Jack's head. It let out a joyful reply to Jack's care and love. Jack smiled well, knowing he had fulfilled his promise to the bird. From that day forward, Jack and the bird remained friends. They would often explore the forest together, experiencing many more clever adventures. In their journey, they encountered different challenges but faced them with bravery and kindness. They learned that even in a big, sometimes cruel world, the power of friendship and determination could overcome any obstacle.
Now let's move on to the questions. Number 1. How did Jack outsmart the wolves in the forest? Number 2. What did Jack build to help the bird regain its ability to fly? Number 3. What lesson did Jack and the bird learn from their journey together?